Hello everyone and welcome to the campus tour of VIT Chennai by FII. So here I am standing at the entrance of the campus and I'll show you to the first location, which is the delivery point. Let's go. This is where we collect our parcels from. All the delivery agents including Amazon, Flipkart, Big Basket, everyone comes here and delivers our parcels. This is also where we get our food parcels from and the parcels from home. There are 12 counters. So yeah, this is where we collect our happiness from. तो गाइज़ डिलीवरी एरिया मैंने दिखा दिया है हमारे फ्रेशर्स को, बट हमें पूरा कैंपस टूर देना है. तो एक उधर जाओ, एक इधर जाओ और बाकी मेरे पीछे आओ.
So guys, I'll show you the only place where hostelers are not allowed, the student vehicles parking lot. And I will move on.
आइए आपको दिखाता हूँ मैं हमारे कॉलेज के ग्राउंड्स. इस तरह का देखेंगे तो यहाँ बैडमिंटन कोर्ट है हमारे पास और इधर क्रिकेट है. यहाँ पे अगर आप देखेंगे तो एक वॉलीबॉल कोर्ट है जहाँ पे बच्चे खेल रहे हैं. अभी काफ़ी कंपटीशन चलते रहते हैं. यहाँ पे हमारे पास है बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट एंड दिस इज़ द मोस्ट डेंजरस प्लेस ऑफ द कैंपस क्योंकि यहाँ पे हर जगह से पोस्ट पड़ती रहती है, देख सकते हैं.
हाय गाइस, तो FYI कैंपस टूर दे रहा है हमारे फ्रेशर्स के लिए.
Hi guys, my name is Chris Dagger. This is one of the first buildings you'll encounter as soon as you enter into our campus. It's a place where you don't want to visit but you will have to. On my left we have administrative building. It's a place where all administrative decisions are taken and also the law classes happen in this building. And on my right we have central library. That's the most crowded place during exams, especially because the AC and Wi-Fi is on full speed. Also the library is functional from 7:30 to 12 during weekdays and 7:30 to 9 during weekends.
So guys, next we will see the guest house where your parents and the dignitaries stay.
This is MBA Amphitheatre, which makes us relieved after a full hectic day in VIT.
As you can see, the MG auditorium is right behind me. This is the biggest auditorium among all the auditoriums in our campus. Most of the events of our campus takes place in this auditorium, especially the big ones. And in the basement of MG auditorium, we have Kasturba Hall, which is another place where event takes place.
So guys, this is Gymkhana, the place of highest calorie consumption and tasteless food. This is the Domino's, the must-visit stop for your campus tour, the place where you find break from mess. So guys, this is the second floor of Gymkhana, where fast food meets gym. So guys, this is the first floor of gymnasium. On the right, we have our rock climbing. Then we have cardio section, and we also have pool and billiards. Now we move on to squash. So guys, this is our squash court. So guys, this is the second floor of gymnasium where all the machines are there.
Club court is a place where time passes by unknowingly with your friends.
So hi guys, this is the Delta Block. It is a small academic building with some classes going on and faculty cabins. And right next to the Delta Block is the swimming pool, where it's a paid swimming pool where the timings of girls and boys are different.
ये हमारे कैंपस का लॉन टेनिस का एरिया है. इधर हमारे पे 2 कोर्ट्स हैं तो काफ़ी मज़ा होता है यहाँ पे भी.
This is Gazebo, the campus favorite food hub. This is Lassi House. Ironically, lassi is the least sold item here.
Hi guys, this is our A block and this is our Sharanya. She will be showing you further.
Hi guys, so I'm Sharanya. I'll be showing you V-Mart. So guys, ये Sigma block है. This is the salon and आगे ATM है. So guys, this is V-Mart, aka VIT का unofficial survival kit. From chips to chart paper, soap to stationery, if it exists, it's here.
So guys, we have reached the health center. This is our health center. All the facilities are available here 24/7. Here you will find more ambulances than the patients. There is a huge waiting line, so if you have a lot of time, wait here. So this right next to the health center is the Alpha block. It is again a very small academic block where some classes go on and faculty cabins are there. There is also a daycare center, and yeah, this is the girls' hostel, the most happening place in the campus, B block. I'll show you a closer look from the front. So guys, here we are in the front of the B block, the best place for girls. Guys watching the video, this is the closest you can be to the B block, and most of the crowd here is after 7:30, so watch out.
This is our AB1 Quantico. यहाँ बहुत सारी memories हैं.
This is the newest academic building for now, but in the upcoming future, AB4 will take the title.
So guys, ये है AB4, currently under construction. अभी यहाँ सिर्फ bricks है, but future में यहाँ stress भी मिलेगा.
ये नॉर्थ स्क्वायर है. यहाँ पे गरम गरम मैगी और हॉट टी बहुत अच्छी मिलती है.
So guys, this is academic block 2, where dreams go in and deadlines come out. This is C block. So guys, tour khatam और memories शुरू. Welcome to VIP, where the vibe is real.